Hi everyone. Do you know what is the most important thing and the difficult thing of the one? That is to recall the digit. Really, we are always confused about recall the digit. I am now traveling on train. Can you recall any train? The PNR number, the ticket, the distance between the two destinations, and the train number. Like yesterday, I moved from Midnapur to Kharagpur. The train number is what? That is 38288. Then I moved to KGP to Hijli. The train number is 08065. And then I moved Hijli to Delhi. The train number is, do you know what is that? This is 18477. And the PNR number is, that is 6229117882. And the distance between Hijli to Delhi is, what is that? 1736. So it is very difficult to recall exactly the digit because our brain do not able to catch the and recall the digit whenever situation demand. But I am very much efficient and skillful to remember any digit after seeing only once. So catch me, see you next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. This is Dr. Anup Banerjee, author, memory athlete, and life transformation coach. Bye.